Here we have a engraving idea going from the computer
to this thing
to this piece of work right here.
Here's some pretty hot rocket tips.
It hurt like hell if you had your hand in there, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it'll burn a hole.
Here we go. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. God, it's on fire! God, I'm blind. I can't look at that.
That's why this is tinted that color.
They're looking for a welder. Hey, Al. You want something?
Is that my beer?
Al, you want to see something blind?
In the same area.
What did you think of this?
That didn't say. Like, look at this. Does this look right to you? Does this look small? Awesome. It's got like two-tone color. Like you got brown and like a reddish on the outline.
Yeah.
That's awesome.